Hi, my name is Yuri Son, the president of Datum Academia, and welcome to Datum! Alright, now I'm going to tell you a little bit about this academia that you were just accepted into. First, Datum is a CTM data science academia, a forum where we can talk about programming and data science and all those related things. Second, I'm going to talk about the Datum website. This is a website that I made in 20 hours. It has my 2 existential crises and a lot of tears, blood, and sweat into it. So please look into it before asking any questions. The front page shows some links that's related to the current things that happen in Datum. When you scroll back down, you see a little funny meme. And then it talks about the most frequently asked questions that we get in Datum. Do I have to know programming to join Datum? Since you're all here, you realize if you're in the programming sector, you don't actually have to have an in-depth knowledge of programming. The programming sector, like the name, is to teach you what programming is. Now, if you go to the About page, it talks about why Datum was created and some things that Datum holds dear and the values and the things that Datum wants to do. I wrote this. Next is the program. It has both 2019 and 2020 in. If you go to 2019, you'll see all the things that Datum has covered in 2019 and the activities that we did at that time. Now, the most important part is the 2020. So 2020 has both tracks, data science and programming, and then it shows a brief outline of what we're going to do in the both tracks. The data science course is going to learn how to prep the data, how to clean the data, how to analyze the data using either KNN or K-means, and then how to deploy that algorithm. You're going to choose your own data set that you want, and you're going to go through the process and present the finding. For the programming sector, it's really to get friendly with Python. So you're going to learn Python functions by playing few games and then making those games, and at the very end, making your own game to present to everyone. But let's look further into the actual program. In the data science course and in the programming course, you can see the first 2 weeks as to present bootcamp. What does that mean? That means that you get to present this bootcamp back to the academia in the next 2 weeks. It will be split into part 1 and part 2, and part 1 will be what Haegang did, and part 2 will be what I did. And you're going to have to present it back to us like we're learning and then you are the teacher. And no, this is not to torture you, it's because I find that if you don't actually practice and try to explain and write the code, you kind of forget about whole functions and it just goes out of your head. So hopefully by doing this, we could all be on the same page, at least regarding the data bootcamp. And next, we go to the cohort, and then we'll see our beautiful faces of last year. These are the members who attended Datum last year. It's quite small, but it was because Datum was aspiring to be academia. And then if you go to this year, we could see all your enthusiastic and beautiful faces just, out here in case you need to write a resume and then prove that you actually attended this academia. For the resource, if you click on the resource button, you'll see a GitHub link. If you press on the GitHub link, it passes you to our GitHub page. Basically, GitHub is where you post codes and it has a nice little formatting for HTML and codes so you can see them. Every code that I do, I'll try to upload here, and every project that you guys do, it'll be nice if you could upload to GitHub so we could sort of track back to see what you did, and our future generations could look back to see kind of projects that their Sunbiz did. And this is the Datum Explains. The Datum Explains is a blog post that I made, so hopefully I'll add more stuff. I'll try to put the most frequently asked questions here, so instead of keep asking me and me keep replying, you guys could check this page and see all the things. Currently, there's only one blog post up. It's about how to download source editors regarding Google Colab and Jupyter. Some other stuff that we want to do all together would be attending data science seminars regarding NLP or crawling or in general coding seminars that exist. So hopefully if it's offline, which probably isn't because it's during COVID, we can go together and see all these people and their expertise talking about data science. Soon, you'll be given mentors for your own group. So each group has 3 to 4 people and it has one mentor. I'll show the faces of the mentors here. After this video, I'll show you a PPT that has all the members in it. So, again, congratulations for joining us in this wonderful journey of Datum, and hopefully we could get through this together. Bye!